Hey guys, so today's video is kind of different and I just wanted to share this with you because I think that often when I present these videos of like giving a gift from my stockpile, it's massive. And this is a smaller gift that I'm giving to a friend, and this friend I haven't seen in 2 years, and you know, sometimes when you're really busy, and she's busy as well because she works a full-time job, we just really catch up maybe once or twice a year, either through a call or through like a visit. And she hasn't visited me, I think, in like 2 years. So I just grabbed a couple things from my stockpile that I thought she might enjoy. And, you know, some newer products. She's not much of a makeup girl, so I'm not gonna like put like, you know, a whole bunch of makeup and foundation and stuff that she won't use, but just like a nice amount of stuff that, you know, it's from my stockpile. I'm still couponing. She knows I still coupon, and it's just stuff that I thought she might enjoy for her house. So I thought we would go through this and to just maybe give you guys an idea of like, it's not really the quantity of what you give. It's sometimes the thought that counts. And that's like anything in life. I think that sometimes we just put pressure on ourselves that we say, oh, how much is this person giving? And then you have to like match it. No, you can give as much or as little as you want. And that's the truth. So we're just gonna go through some of these items, and you know, if you have extra stuff laying around and you have a friend or somebody that, you know, you're close with at church or work or whatever, if you give them this stuff, I mean, it's like you gave them a pot of gold. Sometimes people get really excited when they see this stuff. So the first thing I'm including is a whole bunch of toothpaste. We've been getting these like dirt cheap over at Rite Aid. 6 of them. I have a balance between Crest and Colgate. I think she might have one of those fancy dancy toothbrushes, like an electric one, so I didn't include any of them. I included a duster kit, one of these Tide Pods, one of these Colgate enamels, like just one of everything except for the toothpaste. 2 little Palmolives. I do know that she uses this, and I only had one in my stockpile. It is the Tide Sport detergent, and I know she really likes this one. I included 2 of the L'Oreal Elvive shampoos. These are always nice. And then a Navino shave cream, 2 little razors, some Simple products. I am not a fan of this line, but I know that she probably will like it. And who doesn't like, you know, a couple, you know, at least to wash your face and a makeup wipe, even if, you know, if you've been out all day or out shopping or out at work, you know, it's nice to come home and just wash your face. There's no greater feeling than that. And then I included a Dove conditioner. I think the shampoo went missing on this one. 2 little body washes. Again, I'm not sure what her favorite is. So I included an Aveeno and a soft soap. And then 2 of these Tresemes. And that's always a really nice shampoo. And then this for her car. You know, it's going to be close to Christmas, so I think she probably would want something to smell Christmassy in her house. And then with the Christmas theme, this nutcracker glaze. It's like a little scent plug. Now, if I would mail this to her, the shipping for this would probably be crazy. Even though we're in the same state, it just would be a lot. So sometimes it's just easier to give somebody a box filled with like stockpile goods if you see them. And I know this will really make her excited because I have gifted her stuff before from my stockpile, and she's always like super enthusiastic and very supportive too. And we've been friends for years, probably like 9 years. Wow, it's been a long time, but a great gal, and I know that she's gonna love everything. And I like to do stuff for friends, even if it's somebody I don't see every day, like a former coworker or whatever. I would give this to anyone, you know, just to help out. So anyhow, you know, sometimes I present videos and it's like, here's, you know, $1,700 donation, and it's a lot. But even this, you know, if you give it to the right person, it can mean the world. So anyhow, I hope you guys have enjoyed it. And now on to an unboxing and a giveaway for the Jeffree Star Halloween mystery boxes. Woo! So here's the story with this, guys. I have a little tripod on my camera. I went and ordered 2 of these, and this was the only one that I could get because, get this, I went out Dollar General shopping, and by the time I got back, everything on his site was gone except for this premium box. So this is it's a mystery Halloween box. So I kind of like the ghost emoji. This was $40. It's supposed to have $80 of cosmetics. So I got myself one, and then I got one for one of you guys. And so I'm going to put this in the mail. So this is the rules for this giveaway. If you want to win, you have to be a subscriber to my channel. you have to enter in the comments. So in the comments, write where you're living. So say you're a couponer from Columbus, Ohio, write Columbus, Ohio couponer. That's your entry. 1 entry per person, and I will pick the winner on this upcoming Saturday morning. And I will send them a message saying, hey, email me your address. And if I don't hear back from the winner within 24 hours, I will pick somebody else. So I know that this Jeffree Star stuff is sometimes look but don't touch. I wanted to do something special for you guys because I'm getting close to 40,000 subscribers. But the problem with that is I don't think I'll get there by Halloween, and I want one of you to have this by Halloween. So that's my rationale of doing it right now, because it's a Halloween themed box. So hopefully you can catch my drift. And if I get this guy out like even on Monday, I'm sure it'll get to one of you guys with priority mail by Halloween. And I'm paying for the shipping and all that stuff. So if you get some funny message from somebody pretending to be me saying, you know, you have to pay me $20 for the shipping, I pay for the shipping, I pay for everything. So sorry, there's only going to be one winner, but good luck, guys. So let's do a quick unboxing. So this one with the cat hair is mine. This one is for one of you guys. So we're going to open it up. Packaging is really, really nice. I'm going to do a quick unboxing. Okay, it already smells really fancy. Let's see what's inside here. Oh, wow. Talk about packed with love. Look at that. Okay, so the first product that we have is this. Soul Sucker. Look at that. Oh, oh. This is really cool. It's like a black lipstick, which is really, really kind of cool. So let's do a little swatch. Oh, that's really gorgeous. Okay, I'm digging that. You know what, guys? I even think you could throw this on your eyelid with a bit of eye primer, and this would look just absolutely fantastic. So I am already very, very impressed with this. How cool. Okay. The next item that we have is this. What is this? Ooh, Cherry Wet. Okay. Okay, so fun fact about me, this looks like a very red lipstick, and this is not my speed. However, my friend Nini Coupons, this totally looks like something that she would wear. I am not going to swatch it. I'm going to throw it back in this box, but I will definitely send this to her sometime soon. She looks gorgeous with a red lip. I cannot pull off a red lip to save my life, so I'm just going to put this on the side for her. And the last one that we have is this. It looks like a lipstick. Brown Sugar. Oh, brown lipstick. Ooh, it's vegan too. Ooh, it's like a bullet. How cool is that? Oh, this is gorgeous. Look, guys. That is cool. Okay, let's do a quick swatch. Very nice. You know, you could even use this one as an eyeshadow or like a topper for a lipstick. That's really pretty. So the last item in the box, this is a quick unboxing, is this guy. So let's unbox it. And I'm not sure if every mystery box has the exact same items, but I'm guessing probably. And let's see what we have. Whoa, we have the mini Jawbreaker. Oh my gosh. I've wanted to see his summer, I wanted the summer stuff, but you know, I just didn't have the budget for it last summer. So let's take a look at this. And it's raised. It looks really nice. And look at these colors. This is a fun summer palette. Already loving this hot fudge color, the gold, even the red one. I have the Blood Sugar palette, and that is my favorite of all time Jeffree Star palette. So I am digging this. It looks very nice. Wow. So I'm going to do a quick swatch, guys, if you guys want to stick around for that. Start this way. And then I'm going to show you what they look like. Not bad. I kind of like this purpley one here. It has a little bit of this is exactly how you're supposed to swatch, by the way. I don't know what I'm doing. That's nice too. A lot of fun summer colors that I'm not minding at all. And this is in the color Slice. I'm actually using the same fingers over and over, so I'm probably getting a bunch of colors all together. Bubblegum is kind of like a lighter one. I bet you have to build that one. Bite Me. Doesn't it sound like Jeffree Star? Oh, that's a nice one. And the last one that I'm the most interested in the palette is this one, which is Hot Fudge. Let's do a swipe of that. Not bad. Beautiful, beautiful color payout and nice colors there. Okay guys, that's it for this video. As always, thank you so much for watching and good luck to enter this contest, and we'll have a winner on Saturday. I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.